Your home is your favorite place, and that place should be neat and clean. And a vacuum cleaner can help you with this. And that's why Geek presents Schoner A12 Bagless Vacuum Cleaner for all your cleaning solutions.
This vacuum cleaner comes with great features. Some of its industry best features are its 1400 watt powerful motor provides 20 kPa suction power. This means you can even clean the toughest impurities from deep pockets. It has also got an extra long power cable, which means you don't have to worry about any nearest socket while cleaning. This vacuum cleaner has coverage of 9 meters. Now you can cover a large area in one go. It has a 1.5 liter dust container, which is sufficient for your home use. It is designed to remove 99.97% of all particles that are 0.3 microns in size. Now you can maintain unparalleled hygiene in your room. One press dust release button. Now unloading the vacuum cleaner is no more hassle. Suction control gear. With suction control gear, you can operate on different levels at suction power of the vacuum cleaner. 360-degree swivel wheel. This makes this machine very portable and butterfly smooth in operation. And add on to these great features is this vacuum cleaner is suitable for all type of floors.
Now let's check all the accessories that come along with this vacuum cleaner.
Floor and carpet brush, upholstery nozzle, an automatic power cord reminder, which means no more wire webs around you. A durable stainless steel telescopic tube to extend your cleaning range to reach out in tough places like under your furniture or wall top corners. It's time to learn assembling of this vacuum cleaner. Insert the coupling end of the suction hose into hose connection hole and then push it inwards until it locks in the position. Then insert the hose handle into the tube until it securely fastens. Now let's check how it operates. Unwind the power cable up to your desired length. Plug the cord into a power outlet and switch on. Press the power button to turn the vacuum cleaner on. You can now begin vacuuming. While vacuuming, slowly move the vacuum cleaner into to and fro motion. Once you finish vacuuming, press the power button to turn the vacuum cleaner off and unplug the cord from the power outlet. Press the cord rewind button and guide the cord with your hand to ensure it retracts smoothly.
Now let's find out the things you get in the box. You get a warranty card and a user manual so that you can use the product without any worry. Get this product now for a cleaner house.